Have you ever imagined a magical garden where butterflies flutter like tiny rainbows, bees buzz happily from flower to flower, and little birds sing your morning songs? What if I told you you could create this magical world right in your own backyard or even in a few pots on your balcony? Yes. Today, we're learning how to create a wildlife-friendly garden. But here's the mystery. What's the one simple thing you can do that makes animals instantly want to visit your garden? Stay tuned till the end to find out something you probably never thought of before. Let's start by understanding what a wildlife-friendly garden actually means. A wildlife-friendly garden is a special place where animals, birds, and insects feel welcome. It's not just for humans, it's a little paradise for all living things. Every creature from buzzing bees to hopping frogs plays a special role in keeping nature balanced. And when we help them, they help the planet too. So, step 1, plant the right flowers. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds love colorful, sweet-smelling flowers. But here's a fun fact. Did you know bees see colors differently than humans? They can't see red, but they adore blue, purple, and yellow. So, planting marigolds, sunflowers, and lavender is like sending an open invitation to bees and butterflies, saying, "Welcome to our garden party." Step 2, provide food and water. Just like us, animals need a snack and a drink. You can put out a shallow bowl of water with a few pebbles for butterflies to perch on. Birds love bird feeders filled with seeds or tiny bits of fruit. And if you want to see frogs and dragonflies, a small pond or water bowl will do the trick. But remember, add soap or chemicals. Only clean, natural water for our wild friends. Step 3, add some shelter. Every creature needs a cozy place to rest or hide from rain or sunshine. You can use old logs, rocks, or even build tiny homes called bug hotels. Just pile up dry leaves, twigs, and stick sand. Voila! You've made a 5-star hotel for insects. Hedgehogs, lizards, and ladybugs all love secret hiding spots where they can stay safe. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think a perfectly tidy garden is good for wildlife? Not really. Nature likes things a little wild. A few fallen leaves or a messy corner might not look perfect to us, but to a hedgehog or beetle, it's a cozy home. So don't worry if your garden looks a bit natural. That's how real wildlife gardens thrive. Step 4, go chemical-free. Many garden sprays and fertilizers can harm animals and insects. Instead, use natural compost made from kitchen scraps like fruit peels and vegetable leftovers. Earthworms will love it, and your plants will grow strong and happy without any dangerous chemicals. Step 5, add native plants. Native plants are those that grow naturally in your area. They're like home-cooked meals for local wildlife. Birds, bees, and butterflies. Recognize them and rely on them for food and shelter. You can ask a local gardener or look online for native flowers that grow well where you live. Now, let's make it extra fun. You can even decorate your garden with painted rocks, colorful signs, or little fairy houses. Just make sure everything is safe and eco-friendly. You can reuse old bottles as plant pots or hang fruit slices from strings to attract birds. Did you know some plants have superhero powers? For example, mint keeps away pesky insects, and sunflowers attract bees like magnets. You can even grow herbs like basil and rosemary. They smell great and help your garden friends too. Let's do a quick challenge. Can you name 3 animals you might see in a wildlife-friendly garden? That's right, birds, butterflies, and maybe even frogs. Every little creature plays an important role. Bees pollinate flowers, birds spread seeds, and worms make the soil rich. It's like a big team working together to keep nature healthy. Now, remember the mystery we mentioned earlier? The one simple thing that makes animals instantly visit your garden? Here's the answer. It's quiet and patience. Animals love peaceful places. If you sit quietly and let them feel safe, they'll come on their own. The more love and care you show to nature, the more nature will reward you with songs, colors, and life. So kids, whether you have a big garden or just a few pots on your window, you can help wildlife thrive. Every small step, every seed you plant, every drop of clean water you offer creates a better world for all living creatures. And remember, when you care for nature, nature cares for you back. So go ahead, little gardeners, grab your gloves, plant some flowers, and get ready to make your own mini wildlife wonderland. Because the world needs more caring heroes like you.